Dear students, welcome to my video lecture class. Up to now, I discuss problems based upon equations of motion and problem based on whether a stone is projected vertically upwards. Otherwise, if a body is projected vertically upwards, how the equations of motion will varies. We discuss up to these three equations we discuss. Now fourth equation. If a body projected vertically upwards, if a body projected vertically upwards, then you take acceleration is equal to minus g, final velocity is equal to 0. So please recapitulate previous lecture. I already discussed previous lecture about this body projected vertically upwards. We should take a final velocity is equal to 0 and initial velocity is u here. Acceleration is equal to minus g. Distance traveled is equal to h. And time taken is equal to t. So substitute in last equation. Yes, t is equal to u plus a by 2. Here a means what, ma? Minus g by 2. Into 2t minus 1. What we got here? U minus plus into minus u minus g by 2 into 2t minus 1. This is distance traveled by. This is distance traveled by body. Distance traveled by a body in teeth second. Distance traveled by body in teeth second we got here. St is equal to u minus g by 2 into 2t minus 1. Distance traveled by body in teeth second. Based upon this question, this formula, I'll give one example. So after completion of this example, you got clear idea about this. So the example is here. This is example number 7. Already we discussed 6 examples based upon this equation of motion. If a person projected a stone vertically upwards with velocity 30 meter per second, project a stone vertically upwards with velocity 30 meter per second. In 30 meter per second, it covered height from the ground. In 5 seconds. It covered height from the ground in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. We need to find. So this is the first part. And how much height it covers in 4th second. How much height it covered in 4th second. This is a part 2. So these are so observe carefully. What is the question here? If a person projected a stone vertically upwards with the velocity 30 meter per second. He projected a stone vertically upwards with the velocity 30 meter per second. It covered height from the ground. It covered height from the ground in 5 seconds. What we need to find? How much height covered from the ground? That is first question. How much height covered from the ground in 5 seconds? Next, how much height it covers in 4th second? In 4 seconds. These two we need to find. For that, first. So first part solution. So what is first part solution here? If a person projects a stone vertically upwards with velocity, that means what is that? Initial velocity. Initial velocity is equal to 30 meter per second. Initial velocity. It covered height from the ground in 5 seconds. That means the total time covered in these 5 seconds. The total time is covered. Project a stone. For example, this is a stone. It projected vertically upwards. So it reaches here. Whenever stone is projected vertically upwards, the final velocity is equal to 0. Initial velocity is u. Here against the gravity, that's why we are taking acceleration is equal to minus g. And time is equal to, here they given 5 seconds. Time is equal to 5 seconds. And u value is given here 30 meter per second. U value is given 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second u value. So then what we need to find? How much height is covered? How much height it covered? How much height it covered from in 5 seconds? In 5 seconds, this we need to find from the ground. From the ground, we need to find this h value. We need to find. So how to find h value? So for finding is h means what here? Here u is equal to u only. U is equal to 30 meter per second, and a is equal to minus g. V is equal to 0. S is equal to h here. T is equal to 5 here. So from this h value, how to find? For finding h value, so take the second equation. What is second equation, ma? S is equal to h here. So S is equal to h u into t plus half a t square. U into t. U means initial velocity is 30 into t means 5 plus half into a value is minus g. T square means 5 square. T square means 5 square. So from this 30 into 5, 150 minus 1 by 2 into g value is, let us consider g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So if a problem itself not given g value, you should consider g is equal to 9.8. In the problem, g value is given 10 meter per second square. We should substitute that g value 10 only. So that means here g value is 10 into 5 square means 25. So from this 150 minus 2 how many times? 5 times. 25 into 5, 125. That means 150 minus 125. You got here 25 meters. So that means total height covered by stone from the ground is how much, ma? 25 meters. Total height covered by stone from the ground is 25 meters. This is solution for first question. Next, solution for second question. So I want some space here for calculating that purpose. I rub here. I want some space. So now example 7 part 2. Example 7 part 2 what? How much height it covers in 4th second? How much height it covers in 4th second? This is important. Second part solution. How much height covered in 4th second means you consider 4th equation. What is 4th equation, ma? Hn is equal to u plus a means what here? Body projects vertical upward means a value is minus g by 2 into 2n minus 1. That means u value is here in 4th second we need to find. That means h4 we need to find. So height covered by a body in 4th second. So we need to find that. So h4 is equal to u value is U value is already given 30 plus G value is minus 10, 10 by 2, 2 into N value is, we need to find fourth second. That's why N is equal to here what ma? N is equal to 4 here because for fourth second we want. So 2 into 4 minus 1. So 30 2 how many times? 5 times minus 5 into 2 fours 8. 8 minus 1 7. So that means 30 minus 5 into 8 minus 1 7. That means we got here 30 minus 35. We got here so height covered is minus 5 meters. Height covered is here. Distance covered in fourth second is minus 5 meters. So here U is U plus minus G by 2 into 2N minus 1. So for the fourth second, total height covered is we got here 25 meters. So that means minus 5 meters now. Observe carefully, anything is wrong here. So 2 into 4 8, 8 minus 1 7, 7 into 5. Here height is always taken in, or distance is always taken in. Distance is always taken in positive only. That's why we should consider h is equal to plus 5 because all the distances we measured always positive only. We doesn't take in negative values. That's why here we got minus 5 meters, but we consider total height covered in fourth second is 5 meters because distance is always positive. Because distance is always positive. Distance is always positive. Always positive. This is important. So that means what is the answer for this? First part, total height covered from the ground is in 5 seconds we got 25 meters. Distance covered by body in fourth second is 5 meters. This is important. For fourth second 5 meters. So for the fourth second it covers is 5 meters. Okay. So this is the thing here. For fourth second it covered height is ground. And sometimes in this question they are asking, what is the position of the stone? What is the position of the stone? What is the position of the stone after fourth second? After fourth second. What is the position of the stone after fifth second? From the ground or from the top? Like that also asking questions. So position of the stone from the, for example, body projected, total time is 5 seconds here. After 3 seconds body, if I projected a body like this, first second it is here, second it is here, third second it is here. So how they are asking question, what is the position of the stone? Position of the stone from the ground after 3 seconds. After 3 seconds. How we got ma? Total distance traveled by stone from the ground. We calculate that we got from the ground. So for example, so this is equal to the total distance traveled by stone in 5 seconds is equal to position of the stone from the ground. Position of the stone from the ground also same. Okay. So I think you all are understood this lecture. If you had any doubt, mentioned in comment box. So I'll give explanation for that. Thank you so much.